File dreams are so important, and a file or dossier symbolizes the dreamer's past and what she did in the past. If clean and full of colorful papers inside, it means the owner has a past she can be proud of. But if the papers are dirty and bad colored, it is understood there are big faults in the past. He may have been unfair to others or done a harm. This dream is also seen as a warning for caring about behaviors and actions from that day on. For colors, while green file brings the return of your favor and benefactions, a blue file means a godsend or money from overseas countries or journey. Red, black and white files refer to a fast return of the things done. You'll avoid that well if your past behaviors are good, otherwise you may be punished soon. A purple file suggests spiritual powers protect the dreamer. Also, flipping through pages by opening a file will give the meaning of old days ending and a new life's beginning. Putting clean sheets in a file means your sins are forgiven, and an empty file tells everything is at the mercy and power of us, doing favor or harm.